I'm Erin Daone. I'm a member of Congregation Colamy in Elmira, and I want to share one of my favorite recipes with you for Shabbat across America. It's always nice to get together with family and friends. In better times we really could get together, but still like to enjoy a cocktail together, whether it's in person or virtual. So my favorite cocktail is a gin gimlet, and I like the traditional one. It's just gin and roses sweetened lime juice. That's traditionally when it was invented, they used roses lime juice. So you take 2 ounces of gin, and 1 ounce of the lime juice, and then I just like to put a couple ice cubes in it. Swirl it around, and there you've got a nice cocktail.